guys from the Maldives. This is the boat that I've been living on for the past couple nights, and I will be living on here for the next week. Let me show you what the day in life looks like. Let's get started. Buenos dias. Alright, we are. Buenos dias.
Buenos dias.
So we are starting our first day, 6:30 in the morning.
Buenos dias.
So first dive we are going to try for a channel dive we call Shikadu. Side of the top reef goes averagely 13 meters. So let's get going there. From here to dive side will take more or less 10 minutes.
David, you wake up?
Yeah.
Ready to dive?
Bro, Manta cleaning station. Here we go.
Back to car wash. Yeah.
Terminamos el buceo aquí 45 minutos o una hora o cuando tiene 50 bar.
So this is our dive boat actually. Good morning, Captain. Alright, time to park here. And what do we have? What do we have?
800, I can't see. 200 bar.
Perfect. Ready to dive. Alright, goodbye to our main boats. Hello to diving. Singing.
Huh?
I think you're singing.
No,
Every now and then. Ready to dive? Everybody's geared up, ready to go. Ready to dive.
You're gonna cut us.
You're gonna be in it. Don't worry.
Cut us.
Guys, we just got back on the boat. It was an amazing dive. Amazing. Back on the boats. Alright guys, we just got back to the main boat after an amazing dive. How was the dive?
3 mantas.
3 mantas. Quanto
Zero
mantas?
mantas.
7 mantas. How many mantas you see? One's enough. Alright, so now it's time for my favorite time of the day. Breakfast time! What you got for breakfast, buddy?
We got this typical Maldivian.
Oh, roti. Oh my god. What is this called? Huh?
Mastuni.
Masuni.
There's tuna,
Fresh tuna, dried, I think.
fresh coconut,
Uh-huh.
and lemon, onion, and black pepper.
Oh, and it's supposed to be some chili. Where's the chili?
No chili, actually, this you need
Black pepper. And chili, yeah?
But normally it's no chili?
Normally, Maldives is chili.
Yeah, make it Maldives style, man. Yeah. Look at this. Oh, beautiful. What is desayunos?
Tuna. Tuna with atún con afe de fe.
Uh-huh. Oh, beautiful.
I got a picture of you with Samantha.
Nice. Thank you. Thank you. Bon provecho.
Traditional Maldivian breakfast.
I know. It looks good. All right, so breakfast is nice. Now we're just chilling, playing a little chess, just hanging out. I'm upstairs and just relaxing. Most people just take a little nap, reading a book, waiting for the next dive. Alright, we're ready, guys. Alright, we are ready for our next dive. Yes? Listo? Listo. So we loved that last dive so much, we're gonna go back to the same one and hopefully see even más mucho matas. Más mucho matas?
More mantas! More mantas!
10? Okay, let's do it. Or at least one. Yeah. Ready to sail.
Guys, very quickly, no need to tell nothing more than what I already said before, what Inti said before, because the cleaning session, you saw how it works. There is only one rule. Don't go close to the cleaning session. That is a car to be human with these two legs. That's it. So we stay outside of the cleaning session. So just enjoy this dive on the cleaning session, on the side, okay, of the cleaning session. Try to stay down, don't go up and down. Let's try to behave so that the mantas, probably now, hopefully there will be more mantas because the current maybe is kicking a bit more. Maybe they may come even very close to you, but let's try to give them the space they need.
Rock and roll! Vamos la moca!
It's gonna be such a good dive. I already know.
Sex, drugs, and fucking rock and roll, baby! Let's go!
Pero bueno, otro al final del día, madre mía, no se van a ver.
Chica. Okay. That's nice. Another amazing dive. Whew. This time we saw 2 giant manas, tons of sharks, probably dozens, 20 sharks maybe. Really good. What you think of the Orban race?
No words.
His decree.
Next year.
Alright, we are back. Jackson! Dive stickers. Look at this one, guys. These guys are making our lunch. Nice. All of our master chefs in the kitchen. Hey guys, thank you. All right, so I just took a quick shower, and this is my room, by the way. I'm sharing with Polly, another diver, and now it's time for lunch. We have a little closet area here, 2 twin beds, and a little ocean view. Not bad. Extra spicy.
No, for you, no for me.
Yeah. Oh, it looks tasty. Oh my gosh. Oh,
With toner.
beautiful. Beautiful food. Alright, here's my plate, guys. A little bit of everything. Some chicken, some cauliflower, lots of curry. If you guys think I eat a lot normally, you see me after diving. I'm famished all the time. Yeah. So we're gonna make it a little bit spicy. Here, please. Thank you very much. Oh.
But first try.
Just chilling, taking a little nap down here. Wow, look at this beautiful little island. Are you ready to go visit?
Ready to go.
We'll have a nice barbecue here and we'll dive. This is what the Maldives looks like, postcards. Wow, look at that, guys. How amazing is that? Ready?
It used to be a fishing spot. The fishermen only get only the head due to the easy bait for the sharks.
You ready for this third dive? Ready?
Chiamiamo forte, devo nella corrente, dove sta forte, forte. E quando la forza lingua, avanti con la lingua.
That was amazing dive. Muy, muy, muy. I love coming back, and then we always have some snacks. Like some hot chocolate, maybe chocolate milk, and samosas after a nice dive. Very cool. How's the dive?
Amazing. Very sharp.
Yeah,
Turtles.
the best. Nice. And my favorite thing about this banana tree, it's unlimited. It just grows by itself. Eat as much as you want, and every day it regrows more and more. Okay. Yeah. All right, guys. So we're about to head on the small boat to a private island. Excited. Party's starting already.
Ay, la cerveza.
Yeah, leaving behind our big boat. Yeah, we're on our little tiny dinghy, guys. Alright, we are on our way. Vamos. Now we are on our way to an island. Woo! Yeah, yeah.
Baila, ¿cómo baila?
Oh my God, look how beautiful this island is, guys. Look how beautiful this island is. Wow. It's like we're going to a wedding. Who's getting married?
You and me.
Ah!
I won the green card. I won the green card, gringo. I love you, gringo.
Ah, I love this.
Boda. El gringo yo. Una sorpresa. Sí.
Oh my God.
Oli, nice landing.
Careful, careful. Survive? Okay. Ooh. First casualty. After all these beers, let's see on the way back.
You okay?
Oh. Welcome to our paradise island in the Maldives. I didn't think I'd be saying that anytime soon. Oh my God, what is this? What is it? Who made this? Who made it?
Captain.
Wow. They made... Guys, they made this a whale shark. How cool is this?
Yeah. Qué bonito.
Oh my God.
Jason was here making it.
Wow.
Jason was here working.
How beautiful is this, guys? So, the first 4 days was on the boat. This is actually the first time we've stepped on solid land since then. You're gonna make friends? Friends with the natives? So we are exploring deep in the jungle now. What do you see? Oh, I think they burn it there actually. That's how they get rid of garbage. The dark side of paradise. The truth is, these little private islands on Maldives, they are amazing. They're absolutely beautiful. Like, look at this. But at the same time, they get really boring after a few days because there's nothing to do. Just lay around and have pina coladas, suntan, swim on the beach. It's amazing, amazing for 5 days, and then you get bored. Which is why you have to go diving, or at least snorkeling while you're here. There's people camping out here. I wonder if they have to pay for it or they can just sleep there. That's so cool. Oh, she's gonna try to walk across without getting everything wet. Let's see. Oh, I guess you made it, so why not? The way through this treacherous waters, guys. The Maldives. So fires are getting ready, guys. Barbecue. One beer, please. Hey. Yo, Richard. Cheers. Salud. Salud. How was your day today?
Gorgeous.
The whole day?
Beautiful dives, lovely breakfast, lunch, and now dinner here.
Wow. So I decided to lead another group to Paradise. And what do you think of the walk around the island?
It's gorgeous.
Yeah. And now wading through the water. How amazing is that? There's a baby shark in the water. How cool is that? It's so shallow too. Ah, leopard? Wow. Lemon shark.
Baby lemon shark.
Wow, it's so cool. Oh, striptease!
Aquí solo hay un hombre con su puesto el Borat, ¿eh?
Oh, so good.
That was the
Did Bora just photobomb you?
que cabrón. That means what a freaking asshole. That was like the worst and best photobomb ever.
¿Qué tu bañador?
All right. Ready when you guys are.
Put your hand here just so you know where it is. Put your hand here. So right here. Only here, okay?
Yeah. As hard as you can.
Oh, that was a good punch. Okay, my turn.
More is what they caught yesterday? They caught all this yesterday?
Yeah, yesterday.
Wow, calamari, shrimp, tuna. Where you catch the chicken at? Where you catch? Wow, what fish is this? Oh my god, it's big. Yeah. What fish is it?
That is dogfish.
Wow.
Dogfish and snapper is what they have.
Wow.
No, he doesn't. He hasn't see it yet.
Guys, look at all this food we have.
Sounds similar with the one that you caught. Is the one you caught? With the David. Yes.
David, you caught this fish?
Yes.
Thank you, buddy.
David and Jackson.
Hey, that's what we got.
Like what is left?
I don't know how we're gonna finish all this.
No,
Look at this.
we don't have to finish. What is left? People.
Yeah. Well, we got enough to feed a football team.
Sorry?
We got enough to feed a football team.
Yeah, it's for.
Almost open. Because before that, I would like to ask you a big clap for all our Ari Queen crew that tonight managed to do.
Woo! Gracias! Thank you guys. Thank you guys so much. You are the best. Where are you? Hello, thank you. What? Thank you. It's not my birthday, but gracias. The night is getting wild, guys. What a good day. What an amazing day, guys. Guys, I got to top 4 and I got sat out. Let's see who the winner is. Oh! To your left. Jackson versus Claudiano. And Noya. Oh! Good job, Justin. Good job, Jackson. All right, after a great night, we're back to our boats.